Understanding fonts and typefaces. Alright, guys, let's dive into the world of fonts and typefaces.
Typeface is like the big umbrella. It's the name of a specific collection of related fonts.
Wow!
Think of it as the overall design for a set of characters that share a common style. For example, Roboto or Future are both awesome typefaces. Now, fonts are where it gets interesting. They refer to particular styles, weights, or variations of a typeface. Basically, a font is a set of characters that look the same and are used in everything from digital content to print materials. So, if you say, I'm using Helvetica, you're talking about the typeface. But if you say, I'm using Helvetica regular or bold, you're talking about the specific font.
Basic categories of fonts. Let's break it down. There are two main categories of fonts.
Wait a minute!
First, serif fonts. These guys have little decorative strokes at the ends of their characters. Think of classics like Times New Roman, Georgia, and Garamond. These are perfect for print materials like books because they're super readable. Second, sans serif fonts. Sans means without, so basically, sans serif means without serif. These fonts don't have those little strokes, giving them a clean, modern look. Examples include Arial, Helvetica, and Verdana.
You'll see these a lot in digital content because they're clear and easy to read. But wait, there are other categories too, like script fonts, display fonts, and monospace fonts. Knowing these categories helps you pick the right font for your design, making sure it matches your message and audience. How to choose a font. Now, here's the fun part, choosing the right font. This is super important for effective communication. Here's how to do it. 1. Know your audience. Fonts communicate feelings. A playful font might be great for a preschool design, while a serious font is better for a lawyer's business card. Think about what emotions you want to convey. 2. Brainstorm ideas. Don't just scroll through fonts aimlessly. Take time to brainstorm what qualities you want your design to communicate. This is like designing a logo. Get creative. 3. Consider the purpose. Each font has its own personality. Do you want it to stand out or blend in? This will help you decide where to use different fonts in your design. 4. Pair fonts. Mixing fonts can create visual harmony. Try pairing a bold font for headings with a lighter font for body text. This can really enhance your design. 5. Consider readability. This is huge. Make sure your text is easy to read. For body text, stick to sizes between 10 points and 12 points for print and 16 pixels to 18 pixels for web. Also, think about contrast. High contrast, like black text on a white background, is way easier to read than low contrast. So, prioritizing readability means your content will be accessible and engaging. By picking the right fonts that fit your audience and purpose, you can effectively communicate your message and create an amazing user experience.
Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Choosing the right fonts and typefaces is like picking the perfect ingredients for a delicious meal. It can totally transform your design. So get out there, experiment, and make your content shine.
If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and let's spread the typography knowledge. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.